Today is lesson 5.5, multiply multiples of 10 by one-digit numbers. Our problem of the day is Kenneth planted 3 rows of carrot plants in his front yard. He also planted 3 rows of carrot plants in his backyard. He put 8 plants in each row. How many carrot plants did Kenneth plant in all? Using the cubes method, we're going to circle the numbers 3, 3, and 8. We're going to underline the question, how many carrot plants did Kenneth plant in all? We're going to box the clue word, which is in all. So we know that we're going to add the 3 rows of the front yard to the 3 rows in the backyard, which is 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we're going to multiply them by 8 because it's in each row, so there's groups. So 6 times 8 is 48. So that would be letter D. So what we're going to do in 5.5 is we're going to be multiplying multiples of 10 by one-digit numbers. So our first example is 30 times 8. So when you multiply these two numbers, what you can do is you can break them up by place value. So you'll take 3 times 8, which is 24, and then you'll add a 0 on the end to equal 240. Our next example is 50 times 2. So again, you'll divide by place value and do 5 times 2 equaling 10, and then add that 0 back to equal 100. On your Post-it, what I want you to do is write down 60 times 7 and 70 times 4, and I would like you to solve and turn in at the end of this lesson.